Welcome back to Charisco Crypto, guys. Welcome. Guys, happy Sunday. So I know it's weekend without being told. I know guys want to enjoy the weekend. So I won't be wasting so much time. Let's dive in. Let's see what the data is saying about the crypto market. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. But the market is still down. The crypto market is still like without trading. Just at the same when he was trading about that was a Friday, so I'm doing my live stream. So I did stream yesterday because I do travel yesterday. So let's discuss. Let's see what is happening in the crypto market and what the data is saying. There are a lot of analysis. So are more pain coming, or the market is going? Is the market going down from here, or will be heading up from here? So these are the little things we'll be looking into right now. So without being wasting so much time, let's dive in. As you can see, the market is still staying flat, but the fear and greed index is slightly down. That is because on Friday during my live stream, so the fear and greed index was between 30. As you can see, the fear and greed index is between 24, which is crazy. So the sentiment is low. People are fearful once again. Let me quickly see if I can bring it out. As you can see, it's crazy. This was about just about a few days ago. The fear and greed index was still between 30, above 30. But as of today, we dipped down once again, so it's between 24, which is crazy, man. We show that a lot of people are still fearful once again. So there's a lot of data which we'll be looking into right now that still show that the market is still heading. We are still on track. So the bottom is in. So I know that is what you guys want to hear. So is the market dipping more down from here, or we are already the bottom is in? So which I will be showing you guys right now. As you can see, BTC is still trading at $82,700. So which is still not bad for people who buy Bitcoin at $50,000, $16,000, $20,000, or unless you buy Bitcoin at $100,000 or $109,000. People who bought Bitcoin at $109,000, they may be fearful right now that Bitcoin is trading at $82,000. But one thing you just have to know is that the market is always volatile. So that is crypto for you. So that is why there is opportunity in the crypto space. So that is because the market is always volatile. So don't forget, where any place that there is an opportunity, there is also a risk. So Bitcoin is always volatile. So not just today. So it's always volatile. Bitcoin is trading above $82,000. Ethereum is deep down below $2,000. It's trading at $1,800, as you can see. And SRP is holding at $2.40. 2 days ago, it was between $2.16, just it dropped with almost the market is still flat. So you can see with the 7 days trade, Bitcoin is down with about 3%. Ethereum is down with almost about 10%, 9.8%. This Elon Musk just sold S, man, which I will be showing you guys the headline, which is crazy. So one of the platform which we have a free speech, so he just sold it. He just sold S, aka Twitter. So guys, as you can see, even if Solana is still trading at $125, and ADA is still trading at about $16. Tron is trading at $23. Tron Coin is trading at $3.17. Wentelik is still trading at $20.60, which is crazy. So it's always smash the like and press the subscribe button. As you can see, every single day I'm there live streaming to encourage you guys to use your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency so we can achieve a financial freedom together. So let's dive in. Quickly, let me head over to my S account. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this better. So as you can see on my screen, let me move my camera. So okay, good. So guys, as you can see on my screen over here, so Twitter tweeted out this tweet about a few hours ago. So what he said is that Rob Paul, so it's one of the bigger in the crypto space. So when he retweeted this tweet. So what happened is that this Twitter said that Bitcoin bottom is in, because these data here show that the market is already in bottom. And one thing is that Rob Paul, so Rob Paul he retweet. He said that corrections, we He said, we don't know that the bottom is in. So for sure, in the crypto market, you can't predict the market accurate. A lot of people may be saying that we are down. So what Ropon was saying is that so we just know that we are in the bottom zone. The market is in the bottom zone, so you don't have to be scared. So, but a lot of people already say that. So a lot of people are already saying that the Bitcoin bottom is in. That means that so we can't dip back down from here, but you can't predict the market 100%. Good evening, guys. Everyone, miraculous. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are good. So you can't predict the market 100% that so the bottom is in. So which makes me love the retweet which Ropon retweet here. So his response to this tweet was that so we already know that the bottom we are in bottom zone. So but you can say that the bottom is in. So because the market is always volatile. So Bitcoin and crypto is always volatile, not just today. And which let's quickly head up here. Which has CZ, the CEO of S, he made this tweet, which is very, very important, guys. He made this tweet just yesterday. What he was saying that unpopular opinion, 99% of people in crypto are here to make a quick bump. When 1% are building the real money. Guys, the reality is that in the crypto space, so when people, a lot of people, when they come into the market, what they will be doing is that so I want to invest to double my money overnight, which does not work that way. So that is why 99% of people lost money in crypto. So when they heard about crypto, so they don't even make a research. So and what they will be buying is that they will be buying meme coin. So they will be putting their money into the meme coin that will double about 20,000% overnight. So it does not work that way. Don't forget that the more risk some space are, so the more easily you lose your money. So for example, when you put all your money in one basket in the meme coin, so that we double overnight, don't forget that it will dump on you. So when those boys who launch this meme coin sold the 50% of their holding, so you will launch it on. But it's not the Bitcoin that has a mass supply that powered by miners. So Bitcoin is powered by miners and it has a mass supply. So even if, for example, Bitcoin did back down to 20,000 tomorrow, so it will be coming back up for sure. So this is one thing you need to put in back of your mind. So even if Bitcoin is more powerful than gold, Bitcoin is digital gold. So gold does not have a mass supply. When Bitcoin has a mass supply of 21 million that will ever exist on this planet forever. So that is why you need to, when you are in this space, you need to build, just like CZ is saying. Just like CZ is saying, which is the CEO of Binance. So what he's saying is that so when you're in this space, you have to build your portfolio, invest in a strong asset, in a real asset like Bitcoin that has a mass supply. So it doesn't mean that you don't have to trade meme coin if you want to trade meme coin or if you want to buy meme coin. Good. At least let you know, like your 40% be in Bitcoin and 20, just like as I usually do, I go with a 40, 20, 20, 20. So 40% in Bitcoin, 20% in a big cap, another 20% in big cap, the other 20% will be going to the NFT sector. That is because all this space, there is more money to make in this space. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So the best strategy is for you to build a good portfolio, to build a good strategy that will help you to make money in this crypto space, not just by coming in this space. You think that you have to double your money overnight. People will ask, so how can I buy with my credit card? So when you pay with your credit card, how will you be able to sell with your credit card? So buying meme coin with your credit card, and when it drops 50%, how will you be able to recover your money back? So when you are in this space, you just need to know how the space works. Good evening, guys. How are you all doing? So I'll be coming back to the Q&A before the end of the live stream, guys. So I won't be wasting so much time. We'll be going through some headlines, as you can see. So 1% are the people who really build in this space. So which is true. So when you are in this space, try to build your portfolio, not just come this place, expect your money to double overnight. Just like as I always say, Bitcoin is an asset. For example, when you buy a land, which is an asset, so when you buy a land, you give him time, or when you buy a house, so at least in order for it to double in price, at least you have to wait for a few years. So just like Bitcoin, so you don't have to invest in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. So you expect the money to double overnight. It does not work that way. So by DCA dollar cost average, you may decide if you have $1,000 to invest, you may decide to be adding $10 to your portfolio each time, once in a week or 2 times in a week. So guys, see, this is another headline over here. So obviously, traded Maras to sell about 2 billion in stock to buy more Bitcoin. So why do you think that these traded Maras want to sell their stock to buy more Bitcoin? That is because now every stock out there allows that stockholder out there, even if the company allows that every stock company out there realize that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay and it's more powerful than ever. So Bitcoin has generated more millionaires than in the past than every other asset on this planet. So in the past 9 years, just Bitcoin has been in existence for like a decade right now, and it has Bitcoin has been up with about 130 something million% just in between a decade, which is fantastic. We show that if you have added just between $1 to Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was trading at $1, $2, as of today, you still have about $200,000 if you have added about just like $3 to Bitcoin just a few years back. So, which is fantastic. Quickly, let's see some headline over here. As you can see, let's see this headline. How will Donald Trump's tariffs affect the dollar threat with the U.S. recession? A lot of people are already thinking that we are in recession. People like Robert Kiyosaki, which is the CEO of, which is the author of Poor Dad and Rich Dad, and he also is the CEO of one company which I can't remember. Right? So what he's saying is that what he was already saying a few days ago when I listened to his interview, that the US is already in recession. So it's just a little thing for us to go into depression. That is because the inflation that is going around the world, so it's insane. So more inflation, which is going around the world. Just about 2-3 days ago, the inflation was that came out with about 2.8, which was more than expected, which is crazy. We show that the Federal Reserve will be cutting rates anytime soon. So that was why the market really did back down. So we are still trading at support. The Bitcoin is at about $82,000 support right now. So if we broke this $82,000 support, between $82,000 and $80,000 support, we'll be dipping down to like about $88,000. So, and if we break this, we'll be heading up to $86,000. So you don't have to be scared. The best strategy is by this year. Yeah, guys, so how are you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. Yeah, it's just Ethereum. All the market is down right now. But one thing is that Ethereum is down because he lost all the momentum from now. This is because if you can see, so most of the main coin that is trading right now is trading on Solana. That is because the fee on the gas fee in Solana, in Ethereum, the team haven't been able to resolve that issue yet. So if you want to buy a meme coin worth of about $20, so on Ethereum chain, you have to spend almost about $5 worth of gas fee, which is crazy. But in Solana, it does not work that way. So that is what really happened with Ethereum. All the momentum right now is on Solana. So if you head up to If you head up to that screen right now, you will see that at least 50% of the meme coin, not even 90% of the meme coin, as you can see. So I'm on that screen, and these are the meme coin which are just listed in the past few hours, in the past 24 hours, in the past 48 hours. As you can see, in the chain here is on Solana. So we only have a BNB down here. So the momentum in meme coin right now is on Solana chain. So people are buying Solana in order for you to purchase those meme coins. So you have to buy Solana to purchase meme coin. So as you can see, if you look here now, the top 20 we only have a Binance chain in top 19. So the rest are Solana. That is what is happening with the Ethereum chain right now. So all the momentum as for now, they are on so. So this is the tweet which I already showed you guys just now. This is what this headline over here. Almost over macros growth, reports hit and imminent Bitcoin reality, which is realized amid rising global liquidity. Yeah, because a lot of data has already shown now that the market is in bottom. So just like I showed you guys that tweet by Ron Paul just now, that we cannot predict that the bottom is already in, but we could know that we are in bottom right now. So it does not mean that Bitcoin can dip down more from here. But what you need to know is that the market is always volatile. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. It's just a matter of time. Don't forget, just January here, Bitcoin was trading at $109,000. But today, Bitcoin is trading at $82,000. People were scared. People are already scared. People are fearful once again. Yeah, I see you on Twitter, which is a favor. I also saw your DM. Don't worry. So let's see this other headline over here. The future of finance is built on a Bitcoin. Ethereum was just the testnet. The only thing is that the future of finance is in crypto. So Bitcoin is the head of cryptocurrency. So the future of finance is in crypto. So the financial payment is going into crypto, as you can see. But Elon Musk, before, I don't know if I will still have that headline over here, which covered that Elon sold S. So Elon Musk, few months back, he was working on crypto integration on S. So in order for you to be able to make a payment across S using crypto. So just about yesterday, he made an announcement that he just sold S, aka Twitter. Let me see if I can bring them. Okay, this is the headline, just like we haven't get into that place yet before now. So you can see it over here. Elon Musk says SAI has acquired S in D. The video on social media site with about $33 billion. So Elon sold S with about $33 billion. The total price was about they sold it for $45 billion. But what happened is that there was about $12 billion in debt. So which minus that $12 billion in debt, so they sold S with about for $33 billion, which is a good investment. He bought Twitter just about he bought S 2 years ago at $42 billion. So at least once he's dead, he has generated more millions upon millions for them. So he just sold it back for $45 billion. So so minus the $12 billion which there was in debt. So as of today, so he sold S for $33 billion. So which is a good investment for him. He's smart. Long. So let's see people who bought S, if they will allow free speech to continue and not just free speech. So crypto, all the crypto team, so they have all been on S. So, and not just like as I say, so let's see if we allow free speech to continue, not just free speech, and then let's see if they will also apply that crypto integration on S. So, okay, let's see this other headline, what is saying. Okay, Terra also opens claims for Terra's USD creditors. So, guys, just about 3 years ago, so if you don't know about Terra USDC or Terra USD, so even if we're Terra Luna, so if you don't know about Luna, so that means you were so lucky. So about 3 years ago, what happened is that this Terra USD, so it was just like a stable coin, like a USDT, just like a Theta, so which is a USDT, just like a USDC for year 2. So Terra USDC was a stable coin. So back then, you would deposit your USD there. Yeah, guys, always smart the like a subscribe. Don't forget. So we are on there. We're already immortal. So and which of the video, man? Let me see if I can bring it out, man. These are crypto and NFTs. Crypto and NFTs. NFTs dead forever, guys. So in the description of this video, so after this stream, so go and drop your Solana address there. Yeah, get the Solana address there. So I will be sending you guys NFT, Solana NFTs. So in the head over to the description of this video, which is crypto and NFTs. NFTs dead forever. So drop your Solana address there. So I will be sending Solana NFTs and not just Solana NFTs and some crypto to you guys in the next few days. So that's what I'm saying. So Terra, what happened is that Terra USDC collapsed. Terra USD collapsed when even if Do Kwon, which is the founder, so he got arrested. During that time, Do Kwon escaped. He became anonymous. He was nowhere to be found. So, but after also, he was tracked down by FBI, so which they found him. So he's in jail because of this. This Terra USD worth about $100 billion, from $100 billion. So the market was already going down. Back then, now worth about 80 billion. So when Terra USD collapsed, a lot of people lost billions of millions upon millions and billions upon billions. People lost billions. So that is because there are companies who invested so much in Terra Lab back then. So, and people lost a bag of money. Even if me, I was holding a USD, Terra USD back then. So that is because if you are holding Terra USD back then, so there was a website. So what you just need to do when you get there, when you connect your wallet, so you deposit there, you will be receiving 20% yearly without doing nothing. So which was fantastic. So it happened to be that when Terra USD collapsed, so people lost their money. So then they launched another meme coin, which they say that they will be compensating people. It happened to be that if you were holding about, you lost about $10,000, so they will compensate you with about $200. This particular address, God knows that I haven't even withdrawn that coin out from there. I believe that the coins which they even used to compensate us is even worth about $2 by now, or $3 or $10. I don't even know how much it may be worth. So what they are saying now is that so they will be compensating people once again. Terraform Labs opens a claim for Porter for Terra's USD creditors, which is crazy. So if you are holding, if you was holding Terra USD back there, good. So you can connect your wallet to that particular website again. So you may get some huge airdrop from there. So guys, let's see this other headline. Bully just bounce signals major upside for SRP. Because even where the market is, there are a lot of data are still saying that yes. So we still be heading off from now. So that is why, as you can see in the title of this video, so is the bottom in. So the reality is that we are in bottom. So that does not mean the market can dip back down from here. But the best strategy is by DC. As you can see, this other headline, this headline over here is also saying that the Burija Bank signals a major upside for FRP. So which is good news. So if SRP start working, for sure, the altcoin will also follow. So not just SRP. Just like as I said, I know this weekend we'll be wasting so much. So let's see this headline here. So look one or two headlines before we start going. So Jim Cramer, speaker speculations on SBF, pardon as cryptos bet favor CZ and Lucas. Okay. So guys, Jim Cramer is invest trader. So for example, for over the past few years, so 99%, if you have do opposite of what Jim Cramer say, so you will be at least you will be profit 99%. You will be in profit. This is because whenever Jim Cramer said the market is going down, so it will be going up. So whenever he said that the market is going up and it will be going down. So and it has been okay with that. Every time it's been saying that people get mock of him. So as you can see, what he's saying is that if SBF, which is the former CEO of FTS before FTS collapsed, so which because SBF is in jail right now. So what he's saying is that if SBF get released, so the crypto market may be going up from here. So we show that SBF, to me, SBF is not even going out from jail anytime, coming out from jail anytime soon. So yeah, Miraculous. If you have any question, drop it on the chat. So we'll be at least do Q&A for a few minutes before the end of the stream, guys. So guys, this headline over here, crypto trades turned $2,000 paper into 43 million, sell for 10 million profit. Guys, this is crypto for you. This is why crypto has generated more millionaires than ever on this planet in the past few years. So as you can see on this headline right here, so I have said it, I have shown this data of this trade once before during my maybe SpaceX. So because I know that back then I was not live streaming. So and the April Union team, and the April Union team, what happened back then is that during our live stream on X. So I believe that is when I showed I showed them the data. So back then, this particular address, this person bought a paper coin worth of $2,000. And what happened is that this address was, when paper was trading as its all-time high, this address was worth about 45 million paper back there, even 43 million. This was the time those people tracked it. So I remember back then, it worth about $45 million just with $2,000. He spent $2,000 to buy with paper, which he just listed paper back then. Because I remember this address was worth about 1.7 trillion paper. So back then. So what happened is that this dude did not sell. But even if as of today, the market is down, he's still worth about 10 million. So he sold he sold about 6 million according to this headline over here. He sold about $6 million worth of paper in the past just a few days back. Electron machine, popularly known as yeah, that's the thing. He sold $6.6 million. So he sold 6.6 million worth of 1 trillion paper. So which is crazy. This is why Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. This is why Bitcoin and crypto have generated more millionaires than ever. Imagine investing at $2,000, but it's riskier. It's more riskier for investing in Bitcoin, but at least if, for example, you're already holding $100,000 in crypto, you want to invest $2,000 in Bitcoin, good. But for example, when you are coming into the market right now, you already have $100, so you don't have to put all your $100 in Bitcoin. Please invest 90% into the real cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, SRP, Sui, and the rest. So then Avalanche, then you can invest $10 in the meme coin settle with $10. For example, as you can see, this dude invested $2,000. So today it's still up with about 10 million. It's still up with about $10 million. So in profit, $10 million in profit. So which is crazy because $2,000 worth nothing. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. The best strategy is by keep this year, start learning about the crypto market. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will achieve financial freedom together. Let's see this headline over here. South Korea, China, Japan agreed to promote regional trade as shops tariffs rooms. Guys, the tariff, which is the world trade, is still going around the world. Just about 2-3 days ago, Ferrari said that they will be adding 10% to all their cars, which is crazy. So it's causing a war around the world. The best strategy is to keep DCA into your portfolio so you'll be able to hold more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So is the bottom in? So we are in bottom, so that does not mean the market can dip back down from here. But as always, keep DCA into your portfolio to make sure you hold more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Let's do a quick Q&A before we go. So because I know it's Sunday and you guys want to enjoy the weekend, you guys. Yeah, greetings, whoever greeting, man. Miraculous, how are you guys doing? Kingdom, greetings, how are you doing? Kingdom for sure, don't worry. We haven't been, I don't know. So we are going to drop, you guys will go and drop your Solana address on this, go and watch this live stream, which is crypto and NFTs. So are NFTs dead forever? So go and drop your address there, your Solana address on the description of that live stream, guys. So I will be picking Solana, some of you guys address from there, and I will be sending NFTs across to you guys because it will be Solana NFTs. Favor, even if people are criticizing Ethereum, let's say, for example, even if sometimes when people will be saying that this meme coin is going up, you don't have to invest based on what people are saying. So you have to, before you invest, try to make sure you make your own research. Don't invest based on what people are saying about a token. If people tell you, anybody tell you that this token will be going down, this token will be popping the next, so you have to make your own research before you invest, guys. So don't invest based on what people are saying about the market. Ethereum is slightly down because, just like as I already explained, that so because all the momentum right now is on Solana chain, Solana and BNB right now. So the meme coin right now, 95% of the meme coin right now are trading on Solana. So which take all the momentum away from Ethereum. That is because even if, as you can see, NFTs, which even if NFTs right now they are not doing well, NFTs are down. So which would have boosted the Ethereum chain too. Sonic, what do you think about Sonic, which was on Phantom? I will check it out. Sonic, Abi. First, before you invest, try to make sure that at least this thing, if you are buying in coin, try to make sure that the liquidity is locked. And if you are using bullets, copy the contract address for I have showed you guys multiple times. So try to make sure you copy the contract address and check it out. Check the holders. Let's say, for example, this color here, no, it won't allow me because I'm live streaming. So you have to tell me to connect this thing. Unless I use through my wallet. So which means I can show you guys that. Yeah. So guys, so paste your contract. Once you pick the contract address, head down to, if you are using a bullet, paste the contract address here to see how much the insider are holding. You click on the top holders. As you can see it over here, like for example, this one over here, the insider are holding 0.5%, which is fantastic. And the top 10, that is because the Bitcoin is almost dead. So the price result is about 19%. When the top 10 holder holds 81%, which is crazy. The total holding is just about 160. So when you see such meme coin like this, at least don't go add any of your money to it. Yeah, especially Solana. So all the momentum are on Solana right now. So because the transaction fee is just like zero. So if you are making any transaction on Solana right now, so just like you pay nothing. You even paid about 2 cents to even transfer about $1,000 or to transfer. You may transfer $100,000 on Solana and spend no less than spend not even up to 5 cents for just a transaction fee. But if you want to make such a transaction on Solana chain, that means you have to be willing to pay about $5,000 to transact to make a transaction of about 100,000. I remember if I make a transaction of $400 on Ethereum chain early 2000. That was about 2023. 2023 when NFT was still hot. 2022, 2023. I purchased NFT with about $400. I spent $150 in transaction fee. That is money that is never coming back up again. So with this kind of a high fee, a lot of people now Ethereum fees are down. Back in 2 years ago, 3 years ago, the fee was the same. So if you want, because NFTs was hot, so everybody want to buy NFT. So for you to purchase NFT of about $100 back then, you would be willing to pay another $100 or $150 for just fee. So which is not coming back, which you don't even know if you sell that NFTs for profit, which is crazy. So that is why most of the momentum are on Solana right now. So I hope the Ethereum team, which is Vitalik, is still remain the CEO of Ethereum. So he said they are working so hard to resolve that issue. So guys, of course, why you can't use bullets? If I did not accept you, let me know. So maybe I will tweet it out on my S account because most of the time they will accept people. So they will have to tell you to wait on the wait list, something like that. They will tell you to wait on the wait list. They will send you a code for you to get for you to enter the group. But most of the time you have to wait, they will accept you, which is crazy. I don't know why Bullets is doing that. That's a next weekend, so Sunday, so you guys, the weekend's already almost over. So I will see you guys for tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. So always tune in. So in the next few days, I will be sending the NFTs across to you guys. So Solana NFTs. So I hold there is one project where I hold about 30 of them. So JPEG. So I'll be sending some of them across to you guys. So as always, smash the like and press the subscribe button. As you can see, the channel remains the same, Charisco Crypto. So everything go there here, like streaming, to encourage you guys to keep holding your cryptocurrency so we can all achieve a financial freedom together. So don't forget, you are smart and intelligent with crypto, financial freedom we shall all achieve together. See you all tomorrow, guys. Charisco is out.